Like fragrance.
परफ्यूम से
I'll make a perfume for you now.
now
Yeah. Perfume or direct oil. You tell me what you need. I'll prepare perfume now only. You like which kind of fragrance is it? Strong, light, hard? See, this is oud. You know oud?
wood
This is strong, okay?
yes
And this is French base.
French
French base. This is Kilian's Angel Share perfume. This is with sweet.
अच्छा
So then we have some Indian collections.
हाँ
This Jannatul Baqi.
this is जन्नतुल बकी अच्छा
So there are 3 different types of. So which one you like? I'll prepare. I'll give perfume for you.
now
Yeah, now.
how much time
They have
making
5 to 10 minutes. That's all.
only
Yeah. Even I deal with the Kashmiri real honey.
Kashmiri
Kashmiri real honey.
honey
Honey.
yes okay